I used the Keychron K8 for 40 hours to see if it was any good.
I did it, I made it, I'm loved and I'm hated. I started fun.
Now, first things first, I didn't mind it. It's a cheap pre-built that can be wireless or wired. It looks decent, and the only thing that it's missing is the 10 keys over here in the corner. But for me, this keyboard setup is like asking for no onions and you get a burger with no cheese. I just can't find much value in not having the 10 keys. I would have rather had that than whatever's going on over here in the corner because I barely ever used it. Sound test. Average. The brown switches work great. The upgraded Bluetooth is super nice and it's got a great battery life even with all the cool RGB going on this keyboard. Now, I'd recommend this for the traveling worker that's just looking to jump into pre-built keyboards, and it's available over at Find My Setup.